Awesome. We captured the file. Now what do? First thing I'm going to do is SSH into the Pwnagotchi. So we're going to go ahead and enter the password. That should launch our Pwnagotchi. There you go, Butterball. The Pi user, the Butterball user, non-root user, does not actually have access to the handshake files, so we're actually going to switch users to that, to the root. So now we are going to actually go into the handshake file. So here is the Netgear file that we need to transfer over. The command that I'm using to transfer over the file from the Pi to my Windows computer cannot actually access the root user, so I would actually have to put it onto the Pi user. So that's super simple. We're just going to have to cp netgear home Pi. Let's exit add a root user, and now we have the file there, right there. Awesome. So now what do we do here? Well, we're going to go ahead and exit out, and we're actually going to transfer this file over to my Windows computer. By that, it's super simple. We are going to use the scp command, and we're going to input just like we were going to SSH to it, but this time we're going to ask it for a file. So we're going to use that command. It's going to ask us for the password. Awesome. There we go. Now we have the file located on our J user here. Just to verify, we're going to go ahead and hit ls, and there is the file. So now we're going to need to copy this file from this user over to our D drive, which is our thumb drive, because I actually boot Linux from a USB drive, so I can do dual boot, and pretty much you're just going to be using the same command, cp netgear. Actually, let me just show you. Oh, awesome. There we go. So that's switched it over there, and all we're going to need to do is put it over to the D drive. And now if we cd ourselves into the D drive, where is that thing? Right there. And now it's in our thing. Alright, cool. So now we are going into our Linux machine. So we'll see you there.
Awesome. You got the file into Linux. What do you do from here? So now we're going to go ahead and convert that file into a hashcat file so we can crack it with hashcat. The website hashcat.net actually has a converter that you can put your PCAP file, and that would make it into a hashcat compatible file. Awesome. So you did that, right? These are the file. Well, this is the file here. So as you might see, I'm going to do sudo hashcat, and we're just going to put in my password. This is going to take a very long time, maybe. This is a curated word list. As you might see, it's a Netgear word list. So there it is. After about 2 minutes and 25 seconds, it actually went ahead and found that password. So here you go. And that is the password.